Dah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone. Before we begin, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever been in a meeting that felt like it will never end? Well, today we'll learn how to make meetings more effective and productive. We are Group 1 and we are going to present session 13, chairing a business meeting. My name is Winamida Fajrin and I am here my partner, Resti Anggraini and Ikrimah Julfa Balkis. Selamat sore semuanya. Sebelum kita mulai, saya ingin bertanya cepat, pernahkah kalian mengikuti rapat yang rasanya tidak akan pernah selesai? Nah, hari ini kita akan belajar bagaimana cara membuat rapat menjadi lebih efektif dan produktif. Kami dari kelompok 1 dan kami akan mempresentasikan sesi 13 memimpin rapat bisnis. Perkenalkan, nama saya Wina Beda Fajrin dan saya bersama rekan saya Resti Anggraini dan juga Ikrimah Jukal Balkis. Before we get into the main material, I will start with a short vocabulary quiz. For warming up and reviewing some key terms related to our topic. Sebelum kita masuk ke materi utama, saya akan mulai dengan kuis kosakata singkat untuk pemanasan dan meninjau beberapa istilah penting yang berkaitan dengan topik kita. Untuk Ikrimah, saya persilakan.
Okay, thank you, Wina. Before we get into the material, we will start with a vocabulary quiz consisting of 10 questions. Oke, terima kasih Wina. Sebelum kita masuk ke materi, kita akan mulai dengan kuis kosakata yang terdiri dari 10 soal. Choose the correct meaning for each vocabulary word. Pilihlah arti yang tepat untuk setiap kata dalam kosakata. Number 1, chairperson. A, audience. B, meeting leader. C, secretary. D, presenter. Ada yang mau jawab?
I will try to answer.
Sebutin namanya.
Hello, my name is Asep. The answer B, meeting leader.
Iya, benar. Next, number 2, agenda. A, timekeeper. B, meeting plan. C, document archive. D, feedback form.
I want to answer.
Boleh.
My name is Mandalipia. The answer B, meeting the plan.
Iya, betul. Number 3, facilitate. A, lead smoothly. B, argue. C, delay. D, vote.
I want to answer.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Nabila Yurahayu. A, lead smoothly.
Iya, betul. Number 4, consensus. A, agreement. B, conflict. C, competition. D, criticism.
I want to answer.
Yeah.
My name is Mela Mulyana Saputri. The answer A, agreement.
Iya, betul. Number 5, impartial. A, biased. B, organized. C, neutral. D, angry.
I want to answer.
Yeah.
My name is Mela Mulia. The answer is C, neutral.
Iya, betul. Number 6, minutes in meeting. A, timer. B, meeting summary. C, delays. D, announcement.
I want to answer.
Yeah.
My name is Sri Suryani. The answer is B, meeting summary.
Iya, betul. Number 7, collaboration. A, competition. B, working together. C, isolation. D, speaking.
I want to answer.
Yeah.
My name is Mela Mulia. The answer B, working together.
Iya, betul. Number 8, logistic. A, emotions. B, equipment and room stock. C, decision. D, rules.
I want to answer.
Siapa yang duluan barusan?
Aku Helena.
Oh ya, boleh.
Jawabannya B, equipment and room setup.
Iya, betul. Number 9, objective. A, argument. B, purpose. C, complaint. D, suggestion.
I want
I
to
want
answer.
to answer.
Boleh, Manda.
Thank you. The answer B, purpose.
Iya, betul. Yang terakhir, nomor 10, participation. A, ignorance. B, absence. C, engagement. D, supervision.
I want to answer.
Boleh siapa aja lah, bareng soalnya.
The answer C, engagement.
Iya, betul. Oke, next, Resti Anggreni.
Okay, thank you for Ikrima. Great job, everyone. Thank you for participating in the vocabulary quiz. Now that we progress our chronology of some important terms, let's move on to the main topic of our session today, sharing a business meeting. In this session, we will learn about the roles and responsibilities of a meeting chairperson and how to lead a meeting effectively. Kerja bagus semuanya. Terima kasih yang sudah berpartisipasi dalam kuis kosakata. Sekarang, setelah kita menyegarkan kembali pemahaman tentang beberapa istilah penting, mari kita lanjut ke topik utama sesi hari ini, yaitu memimpin rapat bisnis. Dalam sesi ini, kita akan mempelajari peran dan tanggung jawab seorang pemimpin rapat, serta bagaimana pemimpin rapat secara efektif. For Resti, I invite you. Untuk Resti, saya persilakan.
Okay, thanks, Vina. I will start presenting the material for this season. Please, you guys, listen carefully. Chairing a business meeting. Chairing a business meeting means leading and managing a formal discussion to achieve goals. A chairperson ensure the meeting runs smoothly and all voices are heard. Memimpin rapat bisnis berarti memimpin dan mengelola diskusi formal untuk mencapai tujuan. Seorang ketua memastikan rapat berjalan lancar dan semua suara didengar. Next, Wina.
Udah.
Kok nggak berubah ya, Win? Nah, oke.
Dikit.
Okay, next. Main responsibility, planning, set meeting objectives, and prepare an agenda. Facilitating, keep the discussion focused and balanced. Managing, handle conflicts and keep track of time. Concluding, summarize key point and assign action item. Following up, make sure tasks are complete after the meeting. Tanggung jawab utama seorang pemimpin yaitu perencanaan, menetapkan tujuan rapat, dan menyiapkan agenda. Memfasilitasi, menjaga diskusi tetap fokus dan seimbang. Mengelola, mengatasi konflik dan mengawasi waktu. Menyimpulkan, merangkum poin-poin kunci dan menetapkan tugas. Menindaklanjuti, memastikan tugas diselesaikan setelah rapat. Next.
Thank you for Resti. That concludes the first part of our material on chairing a business meeting. Demikianlah materi pertama dari presentasi kami tentang memimpin rapat bisnis. Now, before we continue with the next section, let's take a short break to refresh our minds. Sebelum melanjutkan ke materi selanjutnya, kita akan ice breaking terlebih dahulu. I'd like to invite my friend Ikrima to lead a fun ice breaking activity. Please give her your attention and enjoy the session. Saya persilakan rekan saya Ikrima untuk memimpin sesi ini. Mohon perhatian dan partisipasinya ya.
Oke, terima kasih, Win. Before we continue with the main material, let's play a quick ice-breaking activity called Chair or Not. I will read out some statements that describe action during a meeting. Your job is to decide whether each action is something a chairperson does or not. For example, if a say sends meeting agenda, you say chair because it is the chairperson's responsibility. But if a say order lunch, you say not because that is not their job. This activity helps or recognize the real text of a chairperson in a fun way. Sebelum kita melanjutkan ke materi utama, mari kita ice breaking terlebih dahulu yang bernama chair atau bukan. Saya akan membacakan beberapa pernyataan yang menggambarkan tindakan dalam rapat. Tugas kalian adalah menebak apakah tindakan tersebut merupakan tugas dari seorang ketua rapat atau bukan. Misalnya, jika saya bilang mengirim agenda rapat, kalian jawab chair, karena itu memang tugas ketua rapat. Tapi, jika saya bilang memesan makan siang, kalian jawab not, karena itu bukan tanggung jawab seorang ketua. Oke, kita langsung yang pertama, yaitu sense meeting agenda. Ada yang mau jawab?
I want to answer.
Boleh.
Jawabannya share.
Iya, betul. Next, order lunch.
I want to answer.
Ya,
Jawabannya not.
iya, betul. Next, quiz discussion.
I want to answer.
Iya, boleh.
Jawabannya share.
Iya. Next, next final decision.
I want to answer. Jawabannya share.
Iya, boleh. Ini kan emang jawabannya kan not always, tapi bisa iya, bisa enggak. Next, text attendance.
I want to answer.
Boleh.
My name is Mela Maulia. The answer not.
Iya, betul. Yang terakhir, encourage all to speak.
I want to answer.
Boleh.
Share.
Iya, betul.
Okay, thank you Ikrima for the engaging activity. Now that we are all reversed and refocused, let's just continue with this part of session. This session will be presented by my partner Resti Anggraini, who will elaborate further on the case strategies and responsibilities involved in chairing a business meeting. Terima kasih kepada Ikrima atas ice breaking-nya. Sekarang mari kita lanjutkan ke sesi materi kedua dari sesi ini. Bagian ini akan dipaparkan oleh rekan saya Resti Anggraini yang akan menjelaskan lebih lanjut mengenai strategi dan tanggung jawab utama dalam memimpin sebuah rapat bisnis. Silakan Resti.
Okay, thanks, Vina. The next duty and quality of the meeting chair version. Before the meeting, we have some below. We have some point as below. Define objective, create agenda, invite participants, share material, and prepare logistic. During the meeting, start on time, stay focused on agenda, and encourage participation, summarize decision. After the meeting, write and share minutes follow-ups. Text evaluate the meeting. Chairperson should be communicative, objective, organized, problem solving, flexible. Next, Wina. Tugas dan kualitas ketua rapat sebelum pertemuan, kita harus memperhatikan beberapa poin seperti di bawah ini. Membuat agenda, menentukan tujuan, mengundang peserta, menyebarkan materi, mempersiapkan logistik. Selama rapat, kita juga harus mulai tepat waktu, tetap fokus pada agenda, dorong partisipasi, dan ringkasan keputusan. Kemudian, setelah rapat, tulis dan bagikan notulen, tindak lanjuti tugas, dan evaluasi rapat. Selanjutnya, ketua harus komunikatif, objektif, terorganisir, pemecah masalah, dan fleksibel. Oke,
Alright.
next, Wina.
Alright, thank you for Resti. The threads of the explanation of our material. Know it, love to hear from you. If you have any question, talk, or even just curious related to the topic, feel free to ask. We are ready for the Q&A session. Baik, penjelasan materi kami sudah selesai. Sekarang kami ingin mendengar dari kalian. Jika ada pertanyaan, pendapat, atau rasa penasaran seputar topik ini, silakan disampaikan karena kita akan memasuki ke sesi tanya jawab. Silakan, ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Oke, pertanyaan pertama. Have you ever attended a business meeting? Apakah Anda pernah menghadiri rapat bisnis? Di sini ada yang pernah menghadiri rapat bisnis? Oke, kita next aja ya ke sesi selanjutnya. Uh, Okay, we will move on to the next session. Thanks for the awesome question. Before we end, let's have a little fun. We've got a short quiz to see how much you remember. I will hand it over to Ikrima to lead the quiz. Get ready. Sebelum kita selesai, yuk seru-seruan dulu sebentar nih, ada kuis singkat buat ngecek ingatan kalian. Langsung aja saya serahkan ke Ikrima untuk buat mimpin kuisnya ya. Silakan Ikrima. Ini durasinya mau habis soalnya.
Oke, langsung aja. Number 1, what is the main role of a chairperson? A, to take notes. B, to lead the meeting. C, to decide the menu. D, to design slides.
I want to answer.
Ya, boleh.
The answer B, to lead the meeting.
Oke, betul. Number 2, a good chairperson must be A, talkative. B, busy. C, impartial. D, silent.
I want to answer.
Ya, Mela duluan.
My name is Mela Molia. The answer C, impartial.
Ya, betul. Number 3, after the meeting, the chairperson should A, delete all emails. B, take a break. C, follow up on text. D, change the agenda.
I want to answer.
My name is Siti Nurlaila Aziza. The answer is C, follow up on tasks.
Ya, betul. Number 4, what should the chairperson do before the meeting? A, order snack. B, invite everyone without agenda. C, prepare objective and agenda. D, a reply.
I want
I want to answer.
C, prepare objective and agenda. My name is Melnia.
Okay. Next, number 5. What is facilitating discussion? A, dominating the talk. B, letting people argue. C, guiding productive talk. D, ending the meeting early.
I want to answer. C, guiding product talk.
Ya, betul.
Okay, thank you for Ikrima, and that's the end of presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and hopefully nobody fell asleep while we're talking. We really hope you enjoyed it and found something useful. Once again, we are Group 1. I am Wina Hamida Fazin with Resti Anggraini and Ikrima Jukra Bakis. See you next time and stay awesome. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.